Nate. This is Nate over here at Tameron Hyundai now. I'm going to introduce you to the redesigned Santa Fe. This vehicle is absolutely gorgeous. I think your wife is going to love it. This vehicle is going to feature things like Android Apple CarPlay. It's going to have Bluetooth. You're going to have backup camera, rear cross traffic alert. You're going to have lane keep assist, smart cruise. There's so many things to go into these vehicles, and I guarantee, like I said, that your wife is going to love it. We're going to do a quick walk around, show you a couple of those features. The vehicle does have the awesome Hyundai cascading waterfall grille, as well as the LED wraparound headlights, oscillating headlights. Those lights will actually move back and forth the way you turn the steering wheel. If you turn it left, those lights are going to shift left. Awesome feature. Aluminum alloy wheels, I really like those. Turn indicator in the mirror, as well as blind spot detection. If there's a vehicle located on the side of her, it's going to let her know not to get over just yet, if there's a vehicle there. If you come right here, if you focus in right here, we have the proximity key. Push that little button there, and it's going to lock and unlock the doors for you. Awesome leather interior. Power seats, heated seats, cool seats. Like I said again, Android Apple CarPlay, auto hold, electronic park assist. Again, these vehicles have so much in them. Back seating, great leather seating. Has two USB ports back here. Keeps everyone focused in and powered up. They're gonna love that. Also have the sunroof, shades. This vehicle has everything, Nathan. Again, give me a call, or y'all just come on by. I know you want this vehicle. 205-287-2321. Give me a holler, man.